But for me, mas gusto kong kunin yung mga tinatawag ko ngayon na sexy trend. What is a sexy trend for me? What is a sexy structure? Sexy structure for me is sobrang okay, sobrang okay ng mga waves. Sobrang okay ng mga waves. Alright? What does that mean? Yung wave, yung galaw mo, when you study the wave or the patterns na meron yung coin tulad nito, no? Maganda yung conviction mo because for the most part, ayan, unang-una, kitang-kita mo na ang ganda ng formation ng pattern ng coin. So meron ka doong head, meron kang ginawang shoulders. You have 1, 2, 3, therefore, binabaan ka. So maganda yung pattern niya.